Welcome to the world of cutting-edge military technology, where the F-35 Lightning II is the icon of air superiority. This stealth fighter is not only a war machine, but also a symbol of the highest ambition and innovation. But behind all its greatness, there is a very high price. Why is the F-35 so expensive to produce? Is this technology really worth the trillions of dollars? Let's uncover all the secrets behind one of the most ambitious military projects in history. The F-35 Lightning II was designed to be the leader in stealth technology. Its aerodynamic shape and use of radar-absorbing materials make it nearly invisible to enemy radar. Imagine a plane that can approach enemy territory undetected, disappearing from radar before the enemy can even react. That's the power of stealth technology that the F-35 possesses. However, stealth technology is not the only advantage of the F-35. The aircraft is also equipped with advanced sensors that can scan and analyze its surroundings in real time, giving its pilots an unprecedented strategic advantage. Not only that, but these sensors are connected to a global data network, allowing the F-35 to communicate and share information with other aircraft and ground forces. This is what makes the F-35 more than just a fighter. It's an airborne command center that can coordinate precision strikes. But of course, all of this advanced technology doesn't come cheap. Now, let's talk numbers. The F-35 program has cost more than $1.7 trillion, making it the most expensive military project in modern history. Why is it so expensive? First, the stealth technology and advanced sensors we talked about earlier require highly specialized and rare materials and components. For example, the radar-absorbing material used to make the F-35 invisible is extremely expensive and difficult to produce. Second, the F-35's manufacturing process is incredibly complex. Every component must be assembled with great precision, and the aircraft goes through a rigorous series of tests to ensure all systems are functioning perfectly. Even a small mistake can cost millions of dollars in additional costs. In addition, the F-35 is designed in several variants to meet the needs of the Air Force, Navy, and Marines, meaning each variant requires specific modifications that further increase the cost of production. However, with such a high cost, the F-35 is not without controversy. Many argue that the astronomical cost is not worth the benefits gained. Critics question whether focusing on one very expensive aircraft is a wise move, especially as the military world continues to evolve rapidly. There are also concerns that relying on such advanced technology could backfire in the event of a system failure or cyber attack. Even so, the F-35 remains a centerpiece of many countries' military strategies. The technology it possesses is arguably at the forefront of what is possible in modern air warfare. However, the question remains, is the technology worth the cost? And what does the future hold for the F-35 in the face of increasingly complex global challenges? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure: the F-35 has set a new standard in military aviation.